Welcome to the AW Services YouTube channel. A little video on drills. I bought a secondary drill. I've got a lot of power tools. I wanted to get a small 10.8 volt drill to use for detail cleaning. I've got a series of scrubbing brushes, etc. Accessories that I can mount on a drill are brilliant for cleaning shower screens when they're really scummy. But I bought another drill. I was looking at the price of batteries. Silverline are actually a very reputable brand, and they make some very good quality power tools. But this drill came with one battery, and I looked at the battery and eyeballed it and thought, oh, I recognise that shape. And I'd previously bought on eBay in a clearance sale from I can't remember, Wickes was selling off their old stock, well, new old stock, and I bought these Wickes drill batteries, 10.8 volt Samsung INR 18650s inside, and they were £1.99 each. I bought 10 of these, and literally I eyeballed them with the OEM Silverline battery. They're exactly the same battery, exactly the same profile, etc. One's a Wickes battery. You can see the part number on there. You can pause that, and that is the OEM battery for the Silverline drill. But they're exactly the same profile, size, shape. So if you've got a drill that isn't a big brand name drill, or a power tool that uses batteries that isn't a brand specific like DeWalt, Makita, Bosch, Ryobi, etc., always double check and just look around and see if you can find a battery with the same shape, because most manufacturers are using the same Chinese, Japanese, Korean companies to make these products, because then they're using the same dye injection molding, so they all use the same housing because they've got the interchangeable mold. All they're doing is branding badge differently. So, you know, two batteries, exactly the same functionality and shape and size. They both work. That one there is a little bit more egg-shaped, where this one is rounder, but the actual profile of the actual battery housing and shape, etc. So this is the Wickes battery. Pop that in the drill with one hand. So that is the battery, the Wickes one. And then it's exactly the same as that one. So yeah, little tip. Look around before buying secondary batteries if you've got power tools or accessories, because you may always try to find the same shape of battery that will fit, and it may be 20 to 30% cheaper than the OEM badge branded secondary battery. But thanks for watching. I hope this video helps. If you like it, subscribe, press the bell icon for notifications when I publish a new video, give it a like, give it a share, and thank you for watching AW Services.